If your dog ever does this, or this, don't worry, your dog isn't choking. It's called reverse sneezing, and it's just that. The air goes in instead of out. It's not dangerous or an emergency, but you can help your dog with these 3 easy steps. Gently close their mouth. Cover one of their nostrils. Massage their throat. It usually only happens occasionally and lasts just a few seconds. Reverse sneezing happens when something irritates your dog's throat, like dust, pollen, or a strong smell from cleaning products. In some breeds, like pugs, it happens more often because of their respiratory anatomy. But if the episodes are frequent or last too long, record it and take your dog to the vet.